Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to install a custom ROM. Use CWM recovery. First, I open my file manager. And I want to install this ROM material v3. Go back and go to your recovery mode. I have the functionally recovery mode. If you have not, you off your phone, then you press power button and volume up button, and after some time your phone is gone recovery mode. And you have Samsung phone, you just press home button, power button and plus volume up button for go to recovery mode. This is my recovery mode. So first I need to whip my all data, previous ROM data, I mean my stock ROM. You go down and here is C with user data. It's formatting. Wait some time. It's done. Then you with your cache, press power button, and for navigate volume up and down button in my recovery CWM. Then again volume down button, press volume down button and go to down, then with Dalvik cache, then with all data pre-flash. It's fully flashing. Done. Then go back and second position install zip and choose zip from SD card, because my ROM now on my SD card. Go choose file from my zip file is under. Go there and is here my ROM material v3. Select it and install material v3. Click on it, press power button. Then it's installing. It's aroma installer. Just press power button. Here touch don't work. Press power button, click, then next, and it's here installing this ROM for your system. It's take a time, wait and see. It's done. Now press next and then again press power button for finish. Install from SD card complete. Then go back, press down button and for click press power button. Then you now go to whip menu and whip all user data for new ROM, new custom ROM. Now whip cache. Done. And finally with delving cache. Then go back and reboot your phone. Go back, again go back. It's done. Now your phone is rebooting. It takes some time because it's first boot of your new ROM. It's take a time, don't worry, wait and see. It's done. Now set up your phone, fully new ROM. Next, here is my SIM card. Next, skip this step. Next, finish. Now see, here is my new ROM, Material V3. Wow, nice ROM, I like it. So guys, this is for today. Like, comment and share this video, and have you any questions, comment below and subscribe my channel for my upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching.